Good morning, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. It's just a beautiful day here in Kitchener, March 24th. Beautiful sunny day. Just popping in on the crew, see how they're doing. They're doing a urine treatment job, whole house of carpet, but we are doing it in sections. So we did the upstairs already. We're back today just to do the main level, and then we're going to do the basement on another day. These are the two areas we're doing today. With wall-to-wall urine treatment. As you can see from the sight tube, we're getting lots out of it. So if you need your carpets cleaned, give us a shout at 519-208-8533 or check us out on our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca.